Yeah, very good afternoon to all of us. So, this is my honored topic presentation called as programming language and accounts. So, basically, the programming language deals with various algorithms, various methods, various steps, and various data types, then various coding languages, whereas accounts deal with maintaining the book, keeping records of transactions. For example, in a company, if you want to know any profit and loss, the maintaining the records only shows whether the company goes profit or loss, expenses and losses, liabilities and assets. So these are the things deal with accounts. So when you see this subcontent, there are three things are mentioned. So first one is derivative. So derivative is the first two integer, float, percentage, plus, minus, then increment, decrement. So there are various data types on that. Though in every programming language, the content of data type must be used, whether the integer are used, or sometimes float is used, or sometimes increment are used, or sometimes for loop, if loop. So there are different types of that is called for loop, if loop, not a statement, but data types are used and use. So next one is transaction. So transaction refers to only transaction, how the money, how the cash is gone or received. So what are the transaction you may have. Nowadays the digital transaction is coming. So in bank statement these transactions are very most important used in bank sector. So next one is algorithm. So algorithm means the usage of tools, okay, gives a clear idea of programming language. So next slide you will see. So in this slide I will go and explain the meaning of programming languages and accounts. So as I explained in previous slide, a programming language is a basic tool of executing output. Okay, for in every programming language, you have to mention some input, then only the output will come, whether integer data type or floating data type or data type. So in various programming languages, different algorithms are used, and different algorithms and different data types and different output other files, and then different input shortcut names are used. So, but in every programming language, there is a specific other files are used, not such as C, C++ and all other files are used. Even Java and all we have to use other files. In JavaScript we can automatically reside in HTML language, hypertext model language. So we can. So there are basic some different kinds of other types used in various programming languages. So here we see. It's a tool of executing output. So it gives the programming language gives output. So various algorithms used in different programming. As I said earlier, different algorithms programming languages used. Programming languages used. Okay. So next it starts with header file. So header file is the most important concept of every programming language. Without header file we can't be able to execute the output of the given program. So next one is accounts. So it's a meaning of bookkeeping accounts. So all the bookkeeping means so small books of accounts. So every year during auditing also every company has to maintain some records. So then only it's a record is a proof of expansion data. So in every company this records are maintaining and accounts are maintaining. Even testers, what are the accounts, what are the expenses, then what are the expense losses, then what are the profits, then what are the things we have expensed this year. So that and all recorded in normal business transaction. So that's what is account is a simple. In simply we say that it's a maintaining of records of company accounts. That is called account. So let's see next slide. So In this slide, I will going to explain about the types of programming languages. So there are many programming languages. I mentioned only few. Okay. Few only. So C languages. So it's a beginning start of coding programming languages. So C languages were developed by Dennis City. I think in the year 1860. I think so. Dennis City. And Java was developed by Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem company developed Java language. Then C++, and it's a basic common derived form of C language. So JavaScript is it's based on HTML format, so we can use backend as HTML and inherent as Java, some coding cell, so SQL. So system query language. So it's a database management. So we can create a table of given data. For example, in system query language, we can link with both Excel and we can link with both database and VB script also. This system query language is used. A system query language is used as inner side and Excel is used as outer side. Okay. So we can in system query language gives table of each content. We can create, join, update, then delete also. The creation of table is called system query language. Then Python is the most important language. It is also just like HTML and different programming languages used in Python. So it just looks like coding and all used in Python. So next one is Visual Basic. So VB, in short form is called VB. VB is a Visual Basic. So we can create the design of the product. It's a design tool product. So in VB first we have to create a table. So which form we have to go, whether this form, and based on the form you can give the coding input and execute as in design format. It will display the output of the given form. So C is the starting programming language. So it's a basic thing. Whereas nowadays C languages are quite common used in many companies. So it's a basic common starting meaning of C language coding. Okay, then C++ is the advanced, the most common advanced programming language. So I already explained Java, JavaScript, SQL, Python, VB. So these are the types of programming language. Even Java is a highly programming oriented language. So in Java we can develop a game also. There are certain many other fields are there. So in Java, once if we learn about that, then we can become a game developer also in Java also. So let's see the next slide. So in this slide, I will go to explain about the types of accounts. So previously I explained about the types of programming language. So in that I explain more. So in this slide I will go to explain about types of accounts. So already if you are become a commerce student, you all know. So let's explain first account. That is real accounts. So real accounts mean cash, okay, which are paid at the beginning. And the money will return at the end of the year. So for example, if you example is real property, so building is real. So if you buy any building on this, so at the end of the year you can give some amount or postpaid, prepaid. Immediately you can pay in advance also. So that is called real account. So real accounts are money will be written. Example, bank account. So if you put any scheme account, the money will be written at the end of the year. So end of the year you will get some amount of cash. That is called real account. So fixed account. So fixed accounts are nothing but permanent fixed account and the fixed assets are one and the same because assets and accounts are assets are related to accounts since I mentioned fixed account. So fixed accounts are like land, building, machinery, those properties which are used permanently to use is called fixed account. So the debit and credit. Debit means we can give amount to others, whereas credit means others will give amount to ourselves. That is called debit and credit. You all know debit is credit. You are so in the golden laws of accounting you all learn. You all learn. So tangible assets, intangible assets. So tangible assets means which can be felt and touched and felt. For example, for example, is human being, you can touch, you can feel. No, that is God. And but human being is not an example because it's sense organ only we can feel. And that way we can feel felt. So tangible assets mean the best example is machines and all. We can give another example of tangible assets. So intangible assets means which cannot be feel and touched. Example is goodwill. Goodwill is a reference in the intangible account, intangible assets. So we can take as goodwill as intangible assets. So finance account. So finance account deals with all budgets and all budgets, expenses of the company account. That is called finance account. So in finance account there are many formulas is there. Finance account, finance. There are many types of finance accounts is there. So as you studied in MBA, BCom, you all know about the finance account. So it deals with money, it deals with the company, it deals with the budget of the company, budget of the cash. That is called finance account. So management account. So management account is study of how to manage the company, how to run the company, how to motivate the employees to work properly, what are the bonus, what are the benefits given to the employee, that comes under this management account. So let's see the next slide. So in this slide I will explain about the format of programming language. So here this is the C language format inside mentioned. So the programming language format will be like this only because as I already told in previous slide itself, every programming language starts always with address file. So this is the address file. See the address is the address file. Even Java under import or Excel, that some other address files are there. SQL and all, if SQL is related with VB script or with JavaScript means sometimes the further files may be used. Python and all, we use only mathematical functions and I think HTML function also used in Python language. So here is the format of programming language. This is a C language, Java, JavaScript and all many other types of format of that. So let's see the next slide. So in this slide I will go and explain formula of account. So an account this is the balance sheet format. So assets and liability value balance are same in both that is called balance sheet and debtor creditor. Debtor creditor is always within accounts, meaning ledger and ledger journal also we are using formula of accounts. Debtor and creditor is the most important one. P&L account, profit and loss account also used in formulas of account. Then there are many formula of accounts and even bank reconciliations, then cash budget, then recurring deposit, non-recurring deposit. So that will be used in account, even though this account that will be used in banks and all. So the main formula, by cash budget, even petty cash also, you can list under some of the accounts, even depreciation and all, to buy. In ledger accounts we have to do to buy and buy machinery, buy to whatever cash is received our pay is 2 hours by, so that format of account used in accounts. So let's see the next slide. In this slide, I will go and explain about the difference between programming languages and accounts. So, it's a programming language gives tools of input and output of yes. For example, if you create a project such as robotics, so we have to include some code. So whatever input you mention in the coding, the output that input coding must reflect in the output of the program. That's why it mentioned. Then account is simply maintaining a record of transactions. So as I already told in previous slides. So there are this next point is that there are this used in programming. Yes, then the main important is programming this data type. So once if you mention any data type, whether integer, float, decimal, or increment or decrement, alphanumeric, numeric. So if you use any data type only, it reflects the output of the program. Output of the program. For example, in the A is equal to so and so, B is equal to so and so means that output on the basis of the step condition only it reflects the output. So the account debit and credit used in accounts. Yeah. And data indicator only used in accounts. So last and final point is graphical design techniques. So programming language in VB and that if you write correct coding means then output will give graphical method. So once if you in VB and that, so in other programming languages also output will be graphical design. So accounts ratio analysis and the cost taking. So in account there are many ratios are the gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, then no pain so there are many ratios are there, the gross profit, net profit, then many other ratios are there. So that technique only used in ratio analysis. Even though this is two techniques, there are many techniques used in both programming languages and accounts. So let's see the next slide. So conclusion. So I conclude that accounts is based on bookkeeping records and it gives total value and the total value. So accounts give some total value of the account, whereas programming language give the outcome of the work project. So accounts is the record of transaction, whereas programming language is the correct coding of project execution. Simply we say that. So next point is in the both accounts and programming languages are very most learning concept in today's world, because without accounts and programming languages there is no any career of field in today's world. So guys, enjoy the day. Thank you. Thanks to all of us. And thanks to all of us. And enjoy the day. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.